guys, my name is Christopher Velasquez, and for this project I will be doing confidence level. And for my project I will be using lace chips for this, to be measuring this. And the purpose of this is to determine if what Lay's claims to the public of the amount of chips they serve is true. And if the public, us, the customers, would it be appropriate for us to sue them for giving us less or for giving us more? Now we know that when a bag of chips is given to us, sometimes we have more than what we expect, and sometimes we have less than we expect. And of course, we would love to have more than what we expect, but sometimes we have less than what we expect, and we feel disappointed in this. We feel mad. We could even call them and get mad at them for this. And some people have even reached up to the point of suing the company. Now, Lay's, in their website, they have given us their claim of their confidence level. They say, Frito-Lay Variety Packs commissioned an online survey among 500 adult Americans, this is our sample population, between the ages of 25 and 44, with kids between the ages of 7 to 17. Weighted to ensure national representation across gender, age, region, education, income, and race/ethnicity. The survey was conducted between July 20th and July 24th, 2018, with a margin of error of plus or minus 4.4 at the national level at the 95% confidence level. So they gave us two things. They gave us the margin of error, which was 4.4, and they said their confidence level was 95%. Now here I have 6 bags. This is our sample population. And in these 6 bags, each is 8 ounces. Now Lay's is supposed to give us 8 ounces. This is what they claim that they're giving us in these bags. But we know that it's not always going to be perfect. So it could either be less or it could either be more. Now each of these bags were measured, and surprisingly each measurement was made and all the measurements were the same. All the measurements were 8.53 ounces, which is more than 8 ounces. Now, how do we know that this is, why is this good? So, for the equation, we're going to have to use margin of error plus or minus, point estimate plus or minus margin of error. So, point estimate plus or minus margin of error give us our critical value. Now, our critical value is our range. Our range would be from 3.6, 8 minus 4.4 is 3.6. So that is the least amount of ounces Lay's can give us. And the most amount of ounces Lay's can give us is 12.4. 8 plus 4.4 equals 12.4. Now all these chips are in between that, so it is good. Now maybe you think, let's say they give us 4 ounces instead of 8. Maybe you think the company, we as the customer are allowed to sue the company for lying to us, maybe lying to us. But no, the company is not lying to us, because the company here is telling us they have a 95% confidence interval. They did the equation, and the range is between 3.6 and 12.4. So if it's below 3.6, that is when we're allowed to sue. And obviously we're not going to sue them if they give us more than 12.4 ounces. Now, 4 is not below 3.6. So 4 is the ounces they claim. That is the amount that we will be, it's possible to get. Now all of these, we got 8.53 ounces. So their claim, in conclusion, we can say their claim is true. Their claim is true, and they are not lying to the public, and what they say is true. So us, the customers, we're getting what we're told they're giving us, and we would be not viable to be able to sue the company for giving us this. And of course, we're happy because they're giving us more than what we bargained for.